Hi guys, it's Holly Draper here, certified clinical aromatherapist, and I wanted to show you something about diffusers. A lot of people don't know the difference of really cool diffusers, and so I wanted to show you a couple things. Most people, when it comes to diffusers, use this kind of a diffuser. It's the one that uses water. You pop it open. You can see you fill it with some water, however much water it requires. You put anywhere from 5 to 15 drops of essential oil in the water, and you start diffusing it into the air. The reason why I wanted to talk about diffusers today is because essential oils are fantastic. They're super antiseptic. They've been proven scientifically over and over again. A quick search on PubMed will show all the amazing antiseptic qualities of essential oils and how powerful they are to help boost our respiratory and our immune systems. So inhalation of essential oils from a diffuser is one of the best ways to use them to boost our health and wellness. And so I highly recommend getting a good diffuser for this purpose. Breathing essential oils from a diffuser is also the fastest way to get them into your respiratory system and into your body, where it goes through and boosts also your immune system. Breathing essential oils from a diffuser is one of the best ways to use essential oils, and it's good for all ages, from babies up to very elderly people can benefit from breathing essential oils from a diffuser. Alright, so now that you know why you wanted to use a diffuser, and I talked about this water one, did you know when you put your essential oils in this water one and start it, and that mist comes out of the top, less than 1% of the mist that comes out of water diffusers is actually essential oils. So basically it's a humidifier that is putting water into the air with less than 1% of what's coming out being essential oils, okay? I want to introduce you to a different kind of diffuser. It looks like this. This diffuser has no water, and in fact it hooks right to your essential oil bottle, and it pulls essential oils right from the essential oil bottle. This diffuser, when you turn it on, puts out 100% essential oils. Let me repeat that. 100% of what comes out of this diffuser is pure essential oils. So when you're breathing the mist that comes from this diffuser, with 1 or 2 breaths, I'm getting more essential oils into my respiratory system, into my lungs, than I would with the water diffuser sitting at it for an hour or more. I am not going to get as many essential oils into my lungs as I am from a couple whiffs of this diffuser. So a couple of things. This diffuser is ideal when you get sick or have respiratory issues or become congested or have a cough or any of that stuff, because you can actually get a large or a medicinal dose with this diffuser that is impossible to get with water diffusers. So that's the difference. Water diffusers are fantastic if you just want to quickly scent up a room and put some aroma up in the room and smell it. But that's basically all you're getting. You're not getting enough to actually get into your respiratory system and clean up stuff. When you are sick or you want a medicinal dose of essential oils, that's when you need this diffuser. It's fantastic. I love this diffuser. I know you ask yourself, well, then if it's pulling straight essential oils, aren't you using a ton of oils? And that's a great question. Of course you're using more essential oils put into the air. That's where that medicinal dose comes from. However, when you're using this diffuser, you don't use it the same way as water diffusers. You don't let them run all the time. You don't set them running all night and all day, because you would use way too much essential oil, way too much that is humanly good for your body. So what you want to do is when you get sick, I turn this on, and I turn it on quite high, and I sit right next to it. I breathe in the mist that it puts out for about 5, 10, or 15 minutes until my body goes, oh, you've had enough. I sit and breathe it. When my body says that's enough and I want to like turn away from it, then I turn it off and I'm done. It only takes about 10 minutes. If you do that 2 to 3 or even 4 times a day when you're sick, that's all you need. You actually use less essential oils with this diffuser. You get a far better dose of essential oils with this diffuser, and there's no waste. You know, when you use a water diffuser, once you're done with that water inside there and you want a different smell, you toss that out with the essential oils in it, and you waste those essential oils that were in there. With this diffuser, there's no waste because you just simply detach this from the diffuser. You pull this out of your bottle. You see there's a little straw right there. Once that's out, you wipe this off with like a paper towel or a Kleenex and get all the oil out from that. You can go straight to your next oil, and there's no waste, and it goes super fast, and you can change essential oils really fast from that. My recommendation is, I love this organic. And you know it's organic because the USDA seal right on the label. If that isn't on your bottles, it's not organic. So make sure you have good organic essential oils to diffuse into the air so that you're not breathing in pesticides. But my favorite oil to diffuse is this beautiful organic respiratory blend. It's some of the best essential oils for your respiratory system. Now the last thing I want to tell you is the price on this diffuser is a little bit more than water diffusers because it will last you for years and years. It has a 5-year warranty, and it's a great little diffuser. I've had mine for about 8 years and I've never had any problems with it, and it always works perfectly even to this day. So I advise you to invest in a really good diffuser for when you get sick, and if you have respiratory issues, get this diffuser. You'll be so happy that you had it. The only drawback to this diffuser is it does have a slight white motor sound to it. So it does have a noise to it. But again, you don't use this diffuser to run all through the night. You would, if you're sick, you would run it maybe an hour before you go to bed in your room. And then as you go to bed, you turn it off, and all that essential oil in the air, you will breathe it in, and your body will use that. So anyway, it's a much better diffuser. I highly suggest you try it. On our website, which is purifyskin.therapy.com, that's purifyskin.therapy.com, you can buy this diffuser. I think it's $129.95. And if you buy it with our organic respiratory blend, you save $10 on the respiratory blend and get it for only $19.95, which makes the total, if I'm not mistaken, sorry I don't have the numbers right here in front of me, I think for both it's $149.95. So go check it out on our website, get yourself a really good diffuser, and then you know you're getting a really good dose of your awesome organic essential oils. Thanks guys, have a great day.